Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. I wanted to share this amazing design prepared in cow skin, very soft, elegant and formal jacket. So this is from 2019 lineup, a very authentic cow skin jacket, very soft and durable jacket prepared in genuine leather. People usually don't get to see leather a lot usually nowadays in the market, but Mender Leather is still producing authentic real leather products in Multan, and we have this amazing new 2019 style. Let me show you the kind of zippers we are using here. It's metallic zip with very durable material, and then on the inside we have designer lining which matches really well with the shine of the skin, and this logo here. You can also get your name embossed at the right at this spot. So this leather jacket has great amount of wrinkles which shows the leather product with very soft and comfortable material. So this new leather jacket is now available at Mender Leather Factory. Visit our factory outlet to get yours.